Hey everybody, happy Friday. After a holiday hiatus, it is time once again for the question of the week. This time it's a two-parter. Part one, who would you like to drive you in a snowstorm?
I would say Tony Pan. The reason why I say this is because he's from Chicago and they get heavy snows. So I feel like he's got some pretty good experience.
Definitely Jerry Sandusky. I trust the voice of the Ravens. That man is steady as a rock. I know he would get me to and fro, and I would live.
First person who always comes to mind is Jen because I think she's capable of anything.
Me, I'm driving everyone.
My brain automatically goes to Brianna. Brianna Ross, she is so smart and wise and safe.
It would probably be Jason Newton. I feel like, he would follow all the rules, he would go the speed limit, he would take it slow.
I would like to be in the car with Jason Newton.
I feel like I would hand my keys to Jason Newton because one, he just gives smooth. I feel like he knows how to make a left turn with one hand on in icy conditions and snowy conditions. So I trust him with my life.
Had to be in the car with somebody, it would probably be Jason. I don't know why.
Maybe Jason, actually. I think you'd be a good driver, Jason. I think you would put up with me like freaking out too in the passenger seat.
I'm going to say Jason Newton. Jason would be cool, calm, collected, methodical. He wouldn't lose his cool, and he would land the plane.
It's going to be Tony Pan. He's from Chicago. He's probably has a lot of experience driving in the snow and ice.
I would feel confident, but the only person who is more skilled would be the snow train conductor himself, Tony Pan.
I choose Tony too. He's from Chicago and snow is his jam. Part two of the question, who do you definitely not want behind the wheel?
I think Delencia. I know she's a weather person, but I don't think she really likes driving in the snow.
Immediately, Megan Rivers. I have a feeling she's a really bad driver.
I would not get in the car with Minnie Becerra because she would put her phone up and record our conversation and put it all over social media.
Lena Lee.
Oh, bless her heart. But, Tori, I have seen you on a scooter when there is no snow. I cannot imagine what would happen when there is snow on the ground.
There's two people actually, Tori Yorgi and Delencia. Love them both, but I value my life and my deductible.
Kai, just given past history. It was an accident. In her defense, she didn't see me walking out in front of her in the parking lot, but she did almost show up. But she did stop.
Kate Amara, Andre. I think those two. Andre. I know he's going to be mad.
Deborah Wiener, sorry. I love you, but she would be a mess. She'd be like,
Miss Deborah Wiener.
Not Deborah Wiener. I'm telling you what, that girl cannot drive in the snow.
Oh, easy, Deborah Wiener.
This one right here should never be on the road.
Do I even have to say my answer? I think you get the picture. Tune in again next week for another edition of the WBIL TV Question of the Week.